The fingerprint scanner may soon disappear from the smartphone altogether. Apple, in its new iPhone XS, X Max, and XR, has not included a fingerprint scanner separately, has instead relied only on Face ID for the most security purpose. Android players like Oppo and Vivo have included an display fingerprint screen, and upcoming to the end phones like OnePlus 3, Samsung Galaxy S10 are expanded to follow the suit. Now forget the SIM slots completely, with the Apple already providing the dual SIM support via eSIM in its latest iPhone lineup. It's very likely that Android smartphones brands to jump on the brand wagon and ditch the physical SIM completely. Also, though, for the only new Reliance Jio and Airtel support SIM in India. Micro SD cards might also dispute the completely. It is known as the fact that external micro SD card affects the performance of the smartphone. So with the smartphones brands providing the internal storage as high as 512 gigabytes in all the cell phones which are in the futurely coming in the market. The traditional mobile chargers with the wireless charging slowly gaining the performance, whereas the cars offering wireless charging pads inside the cabin. There may be soon a time when charging cables and adapters are completely forgotten. The display might act like a speakers. The technology is already available in which the smartphone's display can be used as a speakers itself. The classic example is for the Samsung Galaxy S10, the upcoming phone in the future. The physical volume button might be replaced by the power awake button. The smartphone brands could soon introduce a new multifunctioning power pick button with the depth of the small earpieces too. The in-display speaker may also replace the traditional earpiece in the phones. Single-lens camera smartphones brand are being abused with putting the multiple lens with the main camera model. With the we can expect the brands to ditch the single-lens camera altogether to adopt at least the dual or the triple camera system. Traditional bar form factors may disappear. The foldable smartphones in work. We may soon enter the era of foldable smartphones, which companies like Samsung, LG said to be working on such flexible phones. The traditional 3.5mm headphone already appears to be out of the vogue. Now with the top-end smartphones touching it to the sound headphone jack or the wire.